Mai ngā wai rarapa o te karu o te ika a Māui, ka rere ka pari ko rua mahanga te awa. Ko huru nui o rangi ko pāpā wai ko te oreore ko ōku marae, ko te whiti ko tōku papakainga, ko tōku whenua, ko tōku nei tūranga waiwai. Ko hurihanga nui tōku ingoa whānau, ko te atahia e reina hurihanga nui a hau tēnā anō tātou katoa morena ata mārie nau mai haere mai ki tēnei wahanga o kahurangi. Ko tātou reo o tātou kōrero ko Wairarapa tēnei. This is Kahurangi episode 13, Our Voices, Our Stories, Our Place. And you're here with Te Atahia on this beautiful Friday morning, the 8th of October 2021. We are going to start with a karakia, and then we will introduce you to the beautiful kahurangi sitting in front of me. My beautiful darlings have joined me for our show today. Me karakia tātou. Mana kitia e nei akoranga hei oranga mō mātou hinengaro, hei oranga mō mātou wairua. Tihei Mauri ora.
Ahara mai, hau mai, kiro whare kau ware Ware monga take o te ao motu hake Rua na te whenua whaka o horu ai moko parire ai Mena whakai tau toko Koa huki tāna kuro tirunga atamira Papa patu whatitiri, teiko te uira Umere te reo o ngā tūpuna Kia rangona te reo ki ngā hau e wha Kiani kiani neke neke whatito hope Ko te tae toke rau whetu, hei roto i te whare Toku reo puri tia kia mau Raro i te maru o rangi tūmau Rere ana ngā wai o rua mahanga Rite ki te moana, whati ana Te reo tuatahi tēnei whenua Rangi ki runga heke ki papa Ana Hapuri tia kia mau Ana Hapuri tia kia mau Ia ata ia rā, ia ahi ahi Ia pō ata Kia mau, toku māpihi maurea, toku oho, toku reo rangatira whā toro toro Hakarongo mai rā mau kaha mai, hinga kupurere atu taku māngai Reka ki te taringa te reo i te reo, kaua haka mākaz korero te reo Hāmama tia kia rangona te ao, mai I konei ki pāma mao Heiahanga heke piki kirunga, ki te taumata o te maunga Aku kupu korero, aku whakatau ki tamatu tama ora, korero Māori Ana Hapuri tia kia mai Ana Hapuri tia kia mai Karawhiua o ringaringa ki te tuanui Ki te tuanui, ki te tuanui Karawhiua o ringaringa ki te tuanui Ko e haka mā kau te kani Karawhiua o ringaringa ki te tuanui Ki te tuanui, ki te tuanui Karawhiua o ringaringa ki te tuanui Korero tia, ko te reo Māori Ana Hapuri tia kia mai Ana Hapuri tia kia mai Ana Korero tia puri tia kia mai Ana Taku reo rangatira puri tia kia mai
Nau mai, hoki mai ki Kahurangi o Arrow FM. Kei konei tātou, me a tātou Kahurangi toko rua. I'm going to introduce our beautiful guests this morning very soon, but before we do that, let's just get into our maramataka reading as we do every single week. Ko tēnei te paraire te waru o Oke Topa, rua mano rua tekau mā tahi. And today's beautiful lunar phase is called Hoata. And to some, ohoata. Ko ohoata tēnei o whiringa ānuku. We have just had the rise of the new moon whiro, and I'm holding up, for those of you watching on the telly, our beautiful Tuhi stationery as the reference for our reading today. Whiro brought in the new star Whiringa Ānuku, which for most Māori really heralds the beginning of spring. So today's show is going to be all about springtime, new growth, new development. So it's so very fitting we have our young people in the studio with us today. The other thing we're going to be talking about, of course, is kohanga reo, our nest of language, and all of the beautiful waiata, vocabulary, kupu, kōrero that come out of there. Anyway, our lunar phase is called hoata or ohoata me auaha. He wā taurite, ka taurite hoki ngā putanga. So it's a very creative time. May we all be creative. The energy is flat. It's not super high, it's not super low. He ōrite ki te wā o whiro. It's very similar to a whiro time. He wā mo te arotake, te whai whakaro, te wānanga i ngā akoranga hou, te whakatau whāinga me te whakamahere mo te marama e heke mai nei. So it's a really big time for planning, strategy, thinking, learning, developing thought. Ka pohia te atāhua o te marama awatea me ngā moana. Make the most of your sunrises and of the sea. Now, I'm going to introduce you to our lovely little darlings. So, let's head over to them. Tēnā koe, ko wai koe.
Ko Mario toku e ngua.
Kia ora, Mario. Ko wai koe.
Marikura tēnei.
Tēnā koe Marikura. Mario, how old are you?
6.
And do you go to school?
Yes. To self-incarnate school, but now we're in school holidays.
Oh, that sounds wonderful, and it's so nice to have you here with Mama today, doing our show. No hea koe, ko wai o iwi?
Ko ahunga, ko rangitane ngā iwi.
Ko kahungunu?
Ka kahungu, ko rangitane ngā iwi.
Oh, rawe rawa atu, tēnā anō koe. Marikura, how old are you?
3.
You're 3, and do you go to school like Mario? Yes, you do. Which school do you go to? What is its name?
Montessori and even Heponimu.
Excellent. So the Montessori here in Masterton and the Heponimu down in Dalefield. Ko tēnei te mihi nunui ki o koutou kaiako, kai whakaako hoki, ko Pauline, ko Lauren Ma. Excellent. Now, I'd love to hear from you both what songs, some of the songs you have chosen for today's show. Oh, lovely.
And even Paki, even Pepeha.
Excellent. So without further ado, you would have heard some of the beautiful songs that they've chosen for our playlist today. We're going to start off with Pepeha because Mario was so good in introducing you all to a couple of the iwi. Ngāti kahungunu rangitāne, koe ne ngā uri ngā kahurangi o konei. Ko tēnei te waiata o Pepeha nā 660. Tēnā tātou.
Ko mana tōku maunga, ko aroha te moana, ko whānau tōku waka, ko au e tu atu nei. Mana is my mountain, and Aroha is my sea. Whānau is my waka, and all of that is me. Aha kua pāmamau, kei konei koe. Though you are far away, I'll hold you near. I'll keep the home fires burning.
Tēnā anō tātou katoa. You're back here with the Kahurangi episode 13 of Arrow FM, here with our beautiful Kahurangi, Mario Kapua and Maraikura Ana. And we've brought in a few books today because it is spring, koanga, and we are celebrating, if you like, all things springtime. Ko hine mahuru e rere ana I tō tātou taiao. So hine mahuru is very well and truly here and spreading the love with her beautiful weather. And when we say beautiful, that's inclusive of the rain. Those of us who are into planting and gardening and maramataka know how important that rain is, as well as the slight breeze that we're getting in these days. So we're very grateful for the new growth. And of course, we're hearing some stunning sounds with our pipi wharauroa and other birds who are making their way back from the islands and different places around the world to our shores here in New Zealand. Please listen out to their song. But in all things kahurangi, we're here to celebrate one of our kahurangi, Joe Pōtangaroa. He has written a number of books for Wairarapa, Ngāti Kahungunu Rangitāne Uri especially. And I wanted to read a couple of these books to you all today with Maraikura and Mario, who are going to help me read through them. Nō reira a korua tahi, Mario a korua ko Maraikura, ko wai tēnei manu, ko wai tēnei kiwi?
Manukura.
Manukura. Can you both remember Manukura?
Yes.
Yes, you can remember Manukura.
Yes, we can.
Excellent. Now, Manukura, some of you know as, if you were watching me, you're probably seeing me multitask here. I'm trying to run the show, and my little 3-year-old sometimes forgets that we're on air. So you'll see me doing all sorts of hand gestures to her in the background. Manukura was a kahurangi of Rangitāne especially, who lived up at Pukaha for some time. And this story here is by Joe Pōtangaroa, translated by our lovely kahurangi Esti Karaitiana and illustrated by Maikas van Geffen or Jeffen. I apologise if I've mispronounced that. Nō reira korua tahi, whakarongo mai ki tēnei nā puka puka, Manukura and the rata tree. I'll hold it up to the screen. If you don't see the images very well, please do head on down to Kahungunu or Rangitāne offices. They do have these still available, and I believe you can get in contact for further information with either Joe Pōtangaroa at tiri1@extra.co.nz or Kathy Rimene. kathy.rimene@rangitane.iwi.nz if you're wanting to get your hands on these. I know most of our ECE centres in Wairarapa have them. Nō reira whakarongo mai korua. One morning, just before Tamanui Te Rā got up, Manukura, the kiwi, was walking around Pukaha. She was out looking for noke to eat when drip, drip, it started to ua. What's ua? Rain. Very good. Then it started pouring. Soon Tāwhiri Mātea was howling. And then there was a loud clap of whaitiri. Manukura saw a rākau rata, where she could keep dry. She walked between the finger-like roots into a little ana under the rākau. She sat down in the dark, thinking she was alone, when she heard ruru. Ko wai a ruru, Mario?
Owl.
Owl, very good. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. From up above her. Manukura is a bit mataku, but looks up and can just make out a huge pair of whatu staring at her. Yeah. What do you think it could be? Then snap, crackle, pop. Uira. There, sitting across from Manukura, is Ruru. They say, kia ora, kia ora.
Hi.
Kia ora. Then everything is quiet and dark again. A kua nei, Manukura hears slurp, slurp, slurp outside the rākau. In the half-light, something long slithers into the rākau. What do you think it could be? Then snap, crackle, pop. More uira. And there is tuna. Atamarie tuna, says Manukura and Ruru. Atamarie Manukura, atamarie Ruru, says tuna. It's not long before Manukura, Ruru and tuna hear scratch, scratch, scratch. Then they see something climbing upside down up to the tuanui. What do you think it could be? Snap, crackle, pop. There is a weta, says Mario. He's absolutely right. Atamaria manukura, ru and tuna, says Weta. Atamaria, Weta. A few seconds later, splish, splash, splish, splash, something else comes to the rākau. There at the entrance is something that looks like a mokowere.
It's a weta.
What do you think that could be, Mare Kura? What do you think that is?
Tuatara.
Tuatara, that's right. Snap, crackle, pop. It was Tuatara. Can I come in? Asked Tuatara. It was getting a bit ko piripiri inaya nei, but the other said, oh, of course, kuhu mai, come in. It did not take long before everyone heard plod, plod, then something nui and round stood in the kuaha. It was so big that even after snap, crackle, pop, no one could see who it was. The new thing came in, sat down, and then everyone was really squished. Finally, all the momokararehe could hear woof, 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 marekura. Which animal makes woof, woof sounds? Can you pense?
Dog.
A dog.
Yeah, me too.
They thought, oh no, a kuri, and we're stuck here, followed by woof, woof. Then they saw a small round light. What do you think the light was? When it was a ranger, he had been looking for Takahe, the big thing. Oh, and they sighed a big sigh of relief. The last one to come into the rākau, of course, was the Takahe, and Ranger was just looking for him. Ranger said, Kia ora, I did not expect to see you all here. We were getting out of the ua, said everyone all at the same time. Oh well, it has stopped now. Hoki ki te kāinga, said Ranger. So plod, plod, Takahe went back to her pouaka. Splish, splash, Tuatara went back to his kauhangararo. Slurp, slurp, Tuna went back to her awa. Scratch, scratch, Weta went back to his rākau. And Manukura went back to her tapa. And Ruru was able to have her rākau back. La fine. Mario, what do you love most about Pukaha?
Doing the rangers.
Doing the Rangers program, which happens during the school holidays, so hopefully we can go back. And Maraukara,
Yeah.
do you like seeing the birds at Pukaha?
No, I like eating the pasta.
Puvishi no honey bunny. What do you
I like eating the pasta.
Maraukara is just saying how much she loves eating the pasta up at the Pukaha Cafe. Now, in all things manu, and to celebrate our beautiful native manu of Aotearoa, we have one more book for you all. I'm not going to hold it up to the camera because I'm going to get the kids to count how many manu there are in each of the pages. And this here is another story by Joe Potangaroa ao Kahurangi o Konei Rangitane ki Wairarapa. So, he starts with a little introduction in English. You can see the birds in this book at Pukaha Mount Bruce National Wildlife Centre and many in towns and around the countryside. So look out for them when you go into the wild, koutou mā. From the beginning, e hia ngā kiwi.
Tahi.
Ka pai, Mario kaua e umerene. Try not to yell, okay, honey buns, because you might scare away our listeners. Ka pai kōrua ko tahi te kiwi. E hia ngā pūkeko.
Rua.
E rua ngā pūkeko. Ka pai. Mareikura, he pūkeko tēnei.
Fa.
Ko kua tata e toru ngā
Toru.
kōkako. Mario, can you remember the kōkako's name up at Pukaha?
No.
Oh, his name is Kahurangi. E whā ngā
Tahi.
rua toru.
Fa.
Whā ngā aha, haha e nei. Haha e nei manu.
Ruru.
Ngā ruru, ka pai. E rima ngā kōtare. E ono ngā tauhou. E whitu ngā
Kere rua.
kereru, ka pai, Mario. E waru ngā tui. E iwa ngā
Pi waka waka.
Ka pai e iwa ngā pi waka waka. Nonu lare per favore parlare normalmente. Te kaunga pukeko. Ka pai. So we have been talking all about spring in our whānau and household, and the wonderful thing about spring, of course, is the new growth, which brings back all the manu and all of our insects. Now, bearing in mind in Te Ao Māori, we do call our ngārara manu sometimes, those with wings, those that can fly, so that's inclusive of our pūrerehua, of our pea, our bees. And I asked Marae Kura this morning, is there a song that you sing lots at school or at home that you'd really love to share today on air? And she chose Pūrerehua. So this is Pūrerehua by Hirini Melbourne. For all of those young kahurangi in our region, please sing along. Ko Pūrerehua tēnei. Absolutely love Hirini Melbourne's voice. It takes me right back to my kohanga reo days. So for those of you who didn't know, kohanga is the Māori word for spring. We can also call it hine mahuru in celebration of our spring maiden. And of course, kohanga. Kohanga actually means nest. And we talk about nest because, of course, of all of our manu, our bird life coming back to our shores from their great migrations overseas during the winter periods. Now, thank you, Marae Kura, for the beautiful song Pūrerehua. We do have another couple of books to read, and this is all in celebration of our kohanga reo movement in the 80s and 90s, of course. We have spoken about this in previous episodes, so do go back to our Wiki o Te Reo Māori, our Mahuru episodes. We talk about the beautiful petition and the strong wahine tāne Māori that made Te Reo Māori an official language of our land, one that needed to be recognised and acknowledged by Te Kāwanatanga, the government. So here we have Te Huarere, and when we were in lockdown, myself and Mario and Marae Kura were really lucky to get into a bit of a routine with what we called Scuola Castorina, or our home school, after our surname.
That's real.
It's real. It's a true story. And we started every morning. Would you like to talk about what you started with every morning, Mario and Marae Kura? Talk about our lockdown. What did we do at school?
Doing some yoga, and then we have breakfast, and then we started.
Yeah, can you remember what the yoga said at the beginning in Māori?
Ha ki roto, ha ki waho.
That's right. Ha ki roto means to breathe in. Let's do it together. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho
means breathe out.
That's right. And we would do a bit of Māori yoga every morning, then breakfast, and then after you were ready, what would happen?
We go to homeschooling. And then we play games on our computer.
Yes, so we would do a bit of lessons and a bit of learning.
And we'll even do some work, and I'll do some lessons on the TV that teachers did.
Awesome. Now, Mare Kura's job every morning was to look out the door or the window and see what the weather was doing. So, right now, I'm going to read this beautiful book from our Red Rocket readers. Now, these are graded readers for our young people who are learning Te Reo Māori or acquiring Te Reo Māori as a first language. And it's graded because every book kind of goes up in a level or a stage, and there are lots of high frequency words in these. So they're really great for people like Māori, who might be 5 or 6, who's getting into reading. E rata na hau ki te rā. E rata ana hau ki ngā hau. E rata ana a hau ki ngā kapua. E rata ana a hau ki te hukarere. E rata ana a hau ki te ua. E rata ana a hau ki te āniwa niwa. E rata ana a hau ki te uira. E rata ana a hau ki te whaititiri. So, e rata ana a hau is a phrase for expressing something that we like or we enjoy. And it's in relation to our huarere, the weather. So these books aren't just great for high frequency words and vocabulary, but they're really good for themes and topics of learning. And the great thing about this one is it has lots of different weather patterns that relate to our atua and our taiao, of course. So in relation to that, we have one more book that I'd really want to read with Mare Kura and Māori here, and it's called Ko A Niwa Niwa. Are you guys ready to read along with Mama?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm going to read the little introduction, Mare Kura and Māori, and you're going to help me with our colours in Māori, okay? We have just done the weather. Okay, so I'm turning your mic off, Mare Kura. Mare Kura's decided she doesn't want to answer. Māori, are you ready? Okay. This is a book by Alice Patrick and Ali Teo. And they're not part of the Red Rocket books, but they are from the Ministry of Education. You can actually find them on the Ministry of Ed's website if you're looking for them. Most schools will have these, and most kura kaupapa Māori will as well. Nō reira, tātou mā, if you are listening in, we're here for our kōhanga and kōanga special, celebrating our lovely tamariki mokopuna, our kahurangi, Māori o Kapua, and Mare Kura ana, who are here in the studio with me because it is school holidays. And we're in Hoata, so we're in a creative period. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to throw away my plan for the day and we're going to make this all about them. They've chosen all the music. We've got some books from their book collection at home, all in Te Reo Māori o Reo Rua. And so we're here to read together. Ko riri Māori o.
Ko ani aniwa.
Ka pai. Ko aniwa niwa. Ko aniwa niwa taku ingoa. Ko te ingoa o taku kuia hoki. He ingoa a tāhua. He rainbow i te reo Pākehā. E whitu ngā kara o te aniwa niwa. Ai, tuatahi, he...
Whero.
Whero is...
Red.
Cherkadino nurlare perfore. Tuarua, he...
Karaka.
He karaka, and
It's
karaka
orange.
is orange. Tuatoru, he...
Kowhai. It's yellow.
Thank you, Mario. Tuawha, he... Kao.
Boy poro.
Kao, haha tēnei tai.
Kakariki.
He kakariki. Kakariki
green.
is green. Mare kuriri lasati. Poi whare anke tū. Tuarima he... Kahu.
Kahurangi.
Kahurangi
It will
is...
be blue.
Very good, both of you. That's lovely. Tua ono he... Mario, un po' più lontano, darling.
Tu ari.
Tua uri, he momo
Tua uri.
waiporoporo tēnei ne. Tua...
Purple.
That's right, it's a dark purple. Tua whitu he tua pōkere. What's the difference between tuauri and tuapōkere? What do you think?
Tuapōkere is purple lighter than the other one.
That's right. So tuauri and tuapōkere are both words for different types of purple. Tuauri, like Mario has explained, is slightly darker, and tuapōkere is closer to violet. Rawera wā tu Mario tēnā.
Yeah.
Pēhea, I've skipped a page. That was tuawhitu. Oh no, I haven't skipped a page. So we've done all of the 7 colours of our beautiful aniwa, and we've arrived at the end, and there's a beautiful question here for both Mario and Mareikura to finish off their speaking. So, Mario, pēhea tō ingoa? Ko wai tō ingoa?
Mario tōku ingoa.
Ka pai.
Ko Mareikura tōnga ingoa.
Ka pai ko Mareikura tō ingoa. Now, before we finish, guys, I've brought in some treats for our lovely kahurangi today, and I wanted to ask them to maybe say what colour those treats are, and then they can have a very much well-deserved merenda, morning tea. No reira, Mario, I te reo Māori, ko tētahi tai. Let's have one of the colours of your treats.
Kōwhai.
Kōwhai. Mareikura, your turn.
Kahurangi.
Kahurangi.
Parauri.
Parauri. And one more.
Nanasu. Mawhero.
Mawhero. Awesome. Tēnā kōrua. Tēnā rawa atu kōrua. It's been so lovely having you here. Would you like to say goodbye to everyone listening?
Bye. Bye.
Po te avere adesso un bellissima merenda. So to those of you listening in Mareikura and Mario, just going to sit here. I've got them on silent now so they can have their treat. Just one each, please. Leave one for Mum and Papa. And if you're tuning in for the first time, this is Kahurangi, a very different kind of episode. We're going with the hoata energy of whiringa ānuku, which is all about being creative and learning. And I thought, with the beautiful help of Davide, my husband, we would celebrate spring, because we certainly have been feeling the pull and the change in the air. The weather's getting warmer. It's raining quite a lot, so our grass in our garden are flourishing absolutely beautifully. And it reminds me of children, and our children in particular, who are doing exactly that at 6 years old and 3 years old. They are flourishing like there's no end, which is exciting and quite nostalgic for us. So ko hangareo popped into my mind when I thought of spring and the beauty of watching children grow and blossom into the beautiful beings that they are, learning, of course, every single second of every day. And we've brought in all of these different books. So if you have just tuned in for the first time this morning, the first couple were by our kahurangi and local Jopo Tangaroa with the help of Asti Karaitiana's translations. Manukura and the Rata Tree was the first one, and He Manu, which is great for counting and for our vocabulary of native birds here in Aotearoa, in celebration, of course, of Pukaha o Rangitane, one of our taonga here in the region. We then went into the Red Rocket Readers Tō Tātou Huarere, which most schools will have access to, and I'm holding it up to the camera if you haven't seen them already. They're nice and easy to fit into most bags, so for parents a really good option as well. And another Reo Tupu, which comes from the Ministry of Education. The Reo Tupu books are just as great for those high frequency words. It has the Māori version at the front, and then there's the English version out the back. So again, that really nice reference for vocab learning if you are learning te reo Māori. However, I think it's time for another song, and the kids were just singing a really awesome song before Mario introduced it. It's called Paki Paki Mai. This one came out a few years ago through Te Newtube. If you haven't heard Te Newtube, I highly recommend getting into it. The Taiohi Rangatahi Māori, Kōrero Māori hoki, with the help of Pere, Wihongi and other beautiful kahurangi from Maimoa. Nō reira, whakarongo mai ki Paki Paki Mai.
Paki paki mai, mga tanga tapat. Paki paki mai, mga tanga tapat. Paki paki mai, mga tanga tapat. Tahi, dua, taru, pa. Anai terau o te hapura. Anai terau o atarika. Me te tahi waiata, pare kareka. Maira, paki mai, mga tanga-tapan. Paki mai, mga tanga-tapan. Paki mai, mga tanga-tapan. Tahi, dua, taru, pa. Anai terau o te hākura. Anai terau o atarika. Me te tahi waiata, pāreka-reka. He aha tēnei ngā te rangatira. Are are maira, whakarongo maira.
Koe nei te wawata, koe nei hoki te wero. Ngā whakapaparanga maha kai te kōrero hiki tia. Mana ki tia, koe nei te ara e mara. Takaheia, takaheia, takaheia. Ma te reo e ranga, ranga i ngā tia. Tamariki mā, mātua mā. E ha te kōrero, kara whiua. Te tohu he rangi māri e. Ko te kai he kōrero. Ko te mahi, he raranga i te tira. Tamariki mā, ka tika te tūranga tira.
Tanga tira.
Hei rautura, mo te iwi katoa.
Tamariki wha.
Tamariki mā, ka tika te tūranga tira.
Iwi katoa.
Hei rautura, mo te iwi katoa.
Paki mai, mga tanga-tapan. Paki mai, mga tanga-tapan. Paki mai, mga tanga-tapan.
Rawera wātu tērā waiata ko Paki Tamariki mā, by our lovely YouTubers, Atareta and Te Hākura, tēnā kōrua kahurangi a tāwhara wātu. This is Te Atahia for Kahurangi, and we're here in our episode number 13. Wow. And we're in spring, and so we're celebrating koanga and kohanga, and we're continuing our beautiful book theme from Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori back in Mahuru Māori. We've spoken about a lot of these books, so it's been really lovely having the beautiful Mario Kapua here in Marekura with me to read books together, eh, darlings?
Yeah.
So Mario is going to help me read this next book, and it's one that I absolutely adore, mainly because the illustrations are just beautiful and so engaging for our young children. Marekura wants to watch it too, so you don't need to worry about your microphone, Marekura. You can keep colouring in. So Marekura is now drawing, and Mario's going to do some speaking with us. He's going to read the English part while I read the Māori part. So this one here called Kei te pēhea koe, How Do You Feel? And it's written and illustrated by Tracy
Yeah.
Duncan. Non tokare pete whaore. Alrighty. Here we go. For those of you at home, this is what it looks like. You can find it in our library. Otherwise, you can find it in any bookstore. Kei te pēhea koe.
How do you feel?
Kei te makariri au.
I feel cold.
Kei te wera au.
I feel hot.
Kei te moke moke au.
I feel alone.
Alone. Not true of us, eh, darlings? Kei te mate kai au.
I feel hungry.
That sounds a bit like Marekura most times of the day, eh, darling?
This
Kei
one.
te ngenge
I
au.
am tired.
This is
I
probably
feel tired.
this is probably more mama. When you read, darling, just come a little bit closer to the microphone
All
without
right.
yelling. Thank you. Kei te mataku au.
I feel scared.
Is anyone scared?
Yeah,
Oh,
I am scared.
Marekura is sometimes scared
Yeah,
of
me
monsters.
too. I'm scared.
Yeah, not right now though, I hope. Kei te pukuriri au.
I feel angry.
Oh, that may have been Mama earlier on while I was
Yeah.
trying to do my radio show and you were
Yeah.
interrupting me, eh? No, not angry, maybe a little frustrated. Kei te pu hai hai au.
I feel jealous.
This looks a little bit mean, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Feeling jealous of others, but that's okay. It's another
It
feeling.
looks really mean.
Kei te pōri au.
I feel sad.
Feel sad. Kei te whakamā au.
I feel.
Mario, just watch where you're putting your lips,
I
darling.
feel shy.
I feel shy. Not like Mario and Mareikura, who are very confident this morning.
No.
Kei te pēhea koe.
How do you feel?
I feel happy. Kei te harikoa ahau.
Yeah, me too.
Excellent. Mareikura is feeling, she's just having a bit of a think. Really good. Lovely. Now, something else that makes me feel really good is really good music. So I'm going to click another... Mareikura's pretending to be angry. I'm going to click another song now that they chose earlier this morning, and I'm sure some of our nohi nohi will definitely recognise it. So this is thanks to Mareikura, who wanted to bring in one of her songs from Montessori's Circle Time, and it's called Paki Paki Tamariki Ma. Wow, it's the same title almost, but it's a very different song. So for those of you who know this at home, please sing along.
Paki 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 tamariki ma. Paki 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 tamariki ma. Huri 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 tamariki ma. Huri 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 tamariki ma. Re 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 tamariki ma. Re 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 tamariki ma. Hikoi 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 tamariki ma. Hikoi 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 tamariki ma. Uma 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 tamariki ma. Uma 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 tamariki ma. Peke tamariki ma. Peke 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 tamariki ma.
A very popular song at Kohanga Reo and at ECE centres everywhere. Mareikura, I'm back on air now, darling, but I can come back to you very soon because we're about to read another of our favourite books and stories. Now, this one here, you will recognise, those of you who are watching this live on TV, The Hungry or the Very Hungry Caterpillar in Te Reo Māori, published by Huia Publishers with the beautiful translations by Brian Morris. So te anu he tino hia kai na Eric Carl I tuhi, na Brian Morris I whakamāori. Kua riri tātou, are we ready to listen into this next story for our young kahurangi in Wairarapa? Alrighty. I te pō atarau, e tau ana he hua iti, I runga I tētahi rau. Excuse my, you can hear everything. So you'll hear Mareikura in the background and you'll hear me turning the pages, but hopefully it makes sense as we go through. I te ata o te rātapu, ka whiti mai te rā, anana, ka mputa mai he anu he iti rawa. He anu he tino hia kai hoki. This reminds me of Mareikura when she's awake in the morning and feeling really hia kai in her puku. Ka huri ia ki te rapu kai mana. Now I'm just going to stop right here because we're at the bit where our caterpillar has woken up and is feeling really hungry and is ready to go looking or searching for. Now, while we're here, I am a kaiako reo Māori. I wanted you all to know, those of you who are listening, rapu we look or search for with our hands. Kimi we look and search for with our eyes. Yeah, kei te rapu, so that's when you're searching and touching. Kei te kimi, that's when you're searching and looking. When you've found it with your eyes, kua kite. I have seen it. I have found it. When you've found something with your hands, kua rapu. I have found it. So that's just a little digression. I te mane kakai ia maroto rawa I tētahi ahaporo. On Monday he eats an apple. Mario wants to help me read this. Perfect. You can do the English after the Māori. Engari, te hia kai tunu ia, still hungry. I te tūrei ka kai ia maroto rawa I ngā pea e rua on Tuesday.
On Tuesday it eats 2 pears.
A bit closer, darling, they can't hear
On
you.
Tuesday it eats 2 pears.
2 pears. Engari te hia kai tonu ia. Still hungry? I te wenere ka kai ia maroto rawa I ngā paramu e toru.
On Wednesday it eats 2 plums.
2 plums?
No.
How many?
3 plums.
3 plums. Engari te hia kai tonu ia. Still hungry? I te tai te kakai ia maroto rawa I ngā rōpere e whā.
4 strawberries.
On which day?
On Tuesday.
Not on Tuesday, on Thursday.
Thursday.
So we've already eaten an apple, 2 pears, 3 plums, 4 strawberries, and still hungry. Kei te hia kai tonu ia. I te paraire, ka kai ia maroto rawa I ngā arani e 5.
On Friday it eats 5 oranges.
Oh my goodness. Engari te hia kai tonu ia, but he's still hungry after all of that. I te rā horoi ka kai ia maroto rawa. Now, we've arrived at Saturday and our poor little anuhe caterpillar is still really hungry and wants to eat more and more and more. And he's been eating quite healthily until this point. But then what happens on Saturday? I'm going to read the list in Māori, and while I do, Mario's going to translate in English for us, for those of us listening. Maybe you're not recognising this book, which everyone knows. So we're just going to say them in both reorua, okay? Nō reira, he eats through tetehi keke te akarete.
It eats 1 cake.
Onpopu vishina more.
Eats 1 cake. Eats
On
and 1 ice
he
cream.
ahi kirimi.
And 1
Gherkin. He
gherkin.
hukini.
And 1 piece of cheese.
He tihi.
Some sausages.
Ooh, he pōkai harami.
1 candy.
He rare papa.
1 cake.
He paitieri.
1
He
sausage.
tōtiti.
1 muffin.
He kepekapa.
1 watermelon.
I tētehi merenge hoki. I taua pō ko mamai tōna puku, and justly, after all of that kai, he has a very sore...
Tummy.
Oh no. Ko te rā o muri mai ko te rā tapu. Ka kai te anuhe nei maroto rawa I tētahi rau ka kāriki. So it gets to Sunday. He's feeling a little ill. So anuhe wakes up and only eats 1 leaf, which is probably a good idea. Ka kai te anuhe nei maroto rawa ā rau reka hoki. Nā wai, ā katau tōna puku. Ka puki te ora. And after eating that lovely green leaf, he actually feels a little bit better. Kua ngata tana hia kai. Ā, e hara ia I te anuhe iti. Kua tipu ia hei anuhe nui, hei anuhe momona hoki. So he's growing. He's not small anymore, he's very fat, like Māori was describing beautifully. Ka uhuri ia ki te hanga whare ahuru mōna. So what does he build?
A cocoon.
A cocoon, a little house and shelter for
Yeah.
him. Ka noho haumaru ia ki
Live
roto.
in.
That's right. Tahi, rua, toru ngā wiki. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Ka kai paku ia I tētahi puare. So this is when he's been in there for 3 weeks. He's hitting the side of his shelter. He creates a little hole. Ka pana, he pushes. Ka puta, he comes out.
Comes out and turns into a big butterfly.
He pūrere hua tino a tāhua. Tēnā koe Mārio. Thank you all for listening to He Anu He Tino Hia Kai. We've only got time for a couple more songs, so I'm going to have a look at our beautiful playlist that Mārio and Mare Kura lovingly curated for us this morning. This next song is called Ka Rere Aku Poi, and it's such a hit with kids. This is from the Pipima series on Māori TV. Whakarongo mai nā koutou katoa.
Ka rere aku poi, me he manu, me he pūrere hua rere runga rere raro. Ka patuki, ka ta patu patu, re 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 fifi marikina e. Hia rehi ka ngā ngaro taira.
If you haven't already checked Pipi Ma out, it's a lovely series all in Te Reo Māori, and they're little beautiful kahurangi puāwai, must I say, tamariki mokopuna, and they speak Te Reo Māori the whole time. And the lovely thing is they've come out of a beautiful product that came out just a few years ago with the same name, Pipi Ma, created by two of our uri o Te Arawa. And these beautiful dolls can now be brought in most retail stores where you would find such a gift. I have seen them in Paper Plus Masterton, so if you're thinking of a gift idea, they are Māori speaking dolls, and they're absolutely beautiful with absolutely stunning reo attached to them. Now, as we wind up our show for today, Friday, the 8th of October, our beautiful Koanga spring is upon us. Maybe start, Mario, lasha stare, tolila. May we start thinking about the different things that we can be doing out and about. I apologise for the weird sounds. Mario's having a bit of a tutu and being a bit of a hoo-ha by the looks of it, after I've told him a number of times not to touch buttons. I really encourage you to get out into Te Taiao, because after this whiro and hoata period, our energy will pick up a little bit again as we head towards our midway of the calendar month, which of course are our Rākau Nui energy, starting with Ohua. So a really great time to start planting and gardening. I really hope that we're getting out there and enjoying the sun's kiss. Now, before we do wind up, I did want to just have a big mihi out to Joe Pōtangaroa and all the work that he's doing in the conservation space, and of course with our Puka Puka Māori. And I do encourage those of us who are in ECE, whether that's at home or in a centre, to get your hands on those local books again. Now, I'm going to head to another song as a way of winding up this Kohanga special with Mario and Maraikura, and then we're going to finish with a kai koho. This one here, I'm sure you know, but this is Anika Moore's famous version for a haka mana para, our pronunciation song. Waiata mai.
Hakamana para tawanga wha E heke mene pere te winga whi E heke mene pere te winga whi O hoko mona pora tawanga wha A e I o u Uhuka mona pora tawanga whu Hakamana para tawanga wha E heke mene pere te winga whi E heke mene pere te winga whi O hoko mona pora tawanga wha A e I o u Hoko mona pora tawanga wha. Shh, everyone, can you sing it quietly now? Haka mana para tawanga wha E heke mene pere te winga whi E heke mene pere te winga whi O hoko mona pora tawanga wha A e I o u Hoko mona pora tawanga wha. Okay, everyone, now let's sing it loud. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha E heke mene pere te winga whi E heke mene pere te winga whi O hoko mona pora tawanga wha A e I o u Hoko mona pora tawanga wha. Okay, now let's go back to singing it quietly. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha E heke mene.
Now, as Anika Moore is in the background with her Akahaka Mana song, I'm just going to close us off with the beautiful Kai Koho or Matariki. I just think it's perfect because it's all about growth and abundance. No mai ngā hua, no mai ngā pai, no mai kia nui, kia hāwere ai, ti hei, mauri ora tēnā no tātou. I'll catch you again next week for Kahurangi. This is Te Atahia with her beautiful Kahurangi, Mario and Maraikura.
Hoko mona pora tawanga wha. Haka mana para tawanga wha E heke mene pere te winga whi E heke mene pere te winga whi O te pupa tupa tupu A e I o u Oh, there goes Mr. Tani Wha. Oh, join on me. Pooter, I will eat you. Oh, nah, just take it not. Mini Pooter, I will eat you. Oh, out of a Mini Pooter, I will eat you.